Okay, today I'm going to show how to program repeater into Retevis RT85. This is a popular one going for $15 or so online. That is $30 a 2-pack. First of all, go A, B will switch from one to the other, the top or the bottom one. Hit the pound key in the side to switch from channel to VFO. In VFO, enter the frequency of the repeater that you're wanting. Alright. Now to set the tone, it's F23. 23 is C, CDC.
Enter.
F to enter the change mode. Use star to choose off or DCS. If off is selected, you can go up or down to change the CTCSS. Press star to switch to digital DCS. This one happens to be 125. Function to set, and then AB
Escape.
to exit.
Menu. Escape.
Notice it says DCS on the left for DCS squelch that's required for that repeater. Next, to see what the frequency
Menu.
offset is, I'm going to do function
Set.
26.
Shift down.
The 26 option says the shift is plus. Okay, that's correct for this one. I'm going back to 22.
Menu. Set. Shift.
Option 22 is the offset.
Enter.
Enter the offset here.
0.
5
0.
megahertz.
0. 0.
Function to enter, and then the other button,
Escape.
AB to exit. And yeah, it's that simple. Choose the CTCSS, DCS, and the offset and offset direction. And that should set you up with the repeater. Press push to talk and see if you can get into the repeater. Now, remember, you can access a step-by-step instructions for this radio and many other radios using the RepeaterStart app. If you're new in town or if you're traveling trying to set a friend's radio, this is an invaluable setup for getting started in just a few easy steps. Just choose your radio, Retevis. There's step-by-step instructions pointing out with an arrow which buttons you press. Easy 3 steps to quickly plug in that frequency and that CTCSS. So check out that app in the description. Available for Android, for Linux, for Windows, and soon iOS. There's also a topo map and a list of thousands of repeaters. Of course, all working offline even if the cell networks or Wi-Fi is down.